Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Fior with a new winter hairstyle tutorial. Actually, I will share my everyday routine, my basic hairstyle and basic and first hairstyle which you need to try if you want to step on the way of the retro style. So I now in foam rollers I put in them after I'm washing my hair in the evening overnight on the already dry hair. After washing dry hair, you have a lot of water inside, so the curls going very good, and plus I have natural curly hair, so if you have some other type of the hair, maybe you need to use some setting spray or something like this. You need to try and find their best way for you. So for my everyday routine and basic hairstyle, I need these three brushes and one more and of course a lot of hairspray. As you know, ordinarily I'm doing my comments, my audio comments to the video after I made everything and just commenting with audio, but today I decided to make everything live, so you will be with me all the process and I will be commenting the process during there. I will do all of this. Actually, of course, first maybe I will speed this part. This is my setting pattern, ordinary. I will add a link in the bio below the video how I'm doing these rolls, but actually nothing very something like difficult. I'm just curling them, you know, like how under, like this, and so just check a video under, and I will be now it's from time to time this happening, and with me too. I have a thin hair, so you have it two ways, or you can rope it or you can gently somehow remove. So I will speed this part. So, first of all, I'm taking my brush and hairspray and brushing them under. I'm doing this very gently because don't forget that here you have the curls and your hair can look like very simple, be damaged. So not rush, just very gently with the ends of your hair. Actually, I'm trying to brush all my hair, all these parts too, from here. Okay, then I'm adding a little bit of the hairspray here. It's for volume. I'm doing this for volume. So we have such a mess, something like this, and now we decided actually what's oh gosh, I'm literally looking. Where you like, I like to do a side parting, and it's mostly, but from time to time I'm letting them stay like this and just doing here the waves. But my ordinary most everyday, mostly everyday hairstyle is side side. So I doing with this. And after I brushing again with this in this direction, how it will be laying actually. Oh god, I forgot. Oh my god, I forgot the dumbbell clips. I will take them. I forgot to tell about them at the start of the video that I will be using dumbbell clips. So you need to buy them too. Don't forget to don't afraid to ruin your curls or something. You won't be ruined, and you need to brush them very good to make something vintage look from them, you know, not only curls, to make the setting wave. You already see how it's laying, yeah? And every time you will be receiving plus minus different results depending on different things. So you just need to go with your hair, as I'm telling every time. Just watching how it's want to lay and just helping. So. I'm using such size big for this everyday routine. So with this teasing brush, you can buy very often receive questions where to buy these brushes in any store which connected with the hair dressers or something. You will find it. So I'm brushing and trying to see how it's want to lay. You see, I'm doing like this, making this part not fluffy, but this part will be stay fluffy and this will be more like smooth. I like thinking that we will start with this part because this I don't like yet. It's a mess. So I will setting it with time. But now, first that bill clip will be going here under to make the volume this part. I'm not doing a brush out here. I'm not doing this super high volume. Actually, I think it's super glamorous, but for every day it's not for me. It's for me like more for, I don't know, festival, restaurant, special occasion, you know, when you have such big volume. But it's up to you. Of course, if you want, you can tease here the separate parts and then make this wave. It's like always up to you. I mostly like to make a really 1950s hairstyle I was doing ordinary women's at their like home, you know. So yeah, okay, we put in under like this. You see? It's already laying actually like this. Look, you see? It's already have a volume. So here I'm not putting here any double clips here, because you will lose this volume here. So I'm trying not to do this because it will be like, you know, so it's need to be volume. With this hair, with this brush, I'm trying to make the wave lane. I for sure can tell that my hair not want very like beautiful today, but we will do this. So look at my situation. We here have this more shorter part, and it's laying a little bit upper than the main wave here. So we need to do everything that this part will connect with this one. Do you see? I'm using duckbill clip. You can use UP pins for making light influence on the wave if you need. When you will cover this with hairspray, then you remove them and everything will be laying like you need. But good that it's laying, and this part, this curl, we need to put it down. So I will use another one. I have a little one too. Like this. Here we will do more cool view. How it's cruciform with the hairspray Raven will be doing. So what we have? You see we have here boom, boom, and their fluffy part. I really like to do this fluffy part because it's a volume, it's beautiful. So again, sorry. So it's very beautiful. And then I'm doing this part, and then I'm watching what we have in their back. And back always more simple to do. Anyway. What I'm doing here, I'm from the start putting a little bit hairspray on this part, and with this little brush doing that smooth. You can use even the pomade, by the way, if you want, and bobby pin behind my ear. Bobby pin maximum you don't need to see, it's need to be like almost invisible. And trying to do here something beautiful too. And we're watching what we have in at the back. As you see, it's already laying like we need. We just need to do a little like to wave here. If you really want, you can try to do like 3 waves and fluffy part, but you need to see what you have. Yeah, like if it's laying good, why not? Yeah, if it's not really good, just make one, or even like smooth and then fluffy part. It will look good too. I will like show you how I'm setting here, because with the hand you make a lot of things. You are smoothing and make these waves more visible. Yeah, I'm doing, you see what I'm doing? Take. now we're starting to curl with the spray everything. Trying to make smooth these parts very gently to not make the volume down. Oh, very important to put spray under this thing, so even like do like this. You see? And after first layer will dry, I'm putting again another one layer of this hairspray. So my hairstyle is done. Time to add some accessories. And I'm ready to go. I hope you like this tutorial. Finally I answer on all the questions you had. But anyway, feel free to ask me anything in comments below. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to click like. Have an amazing day.